In part 2, we apply a Mixamo animation to a different character rig in Maya. So, I'm here in Mixamo, and this time, I will choose an animation. Let's pick this walking animation. And now, let's download this animation. Click Download. Alright, what we'll do now in this second part is apply that downloaded Mixamo animation to a different character rig that we already have set up in Maya. For this demonstration, I need a different character rig. But first, let me rename the HumanIK character definition for our newly rigged Mixamo character. I'll click on the Definition tab, then the Rename Character button, and call this Mixamo Rig. I'll also group everything related to this Mixamo rig in the outliner and name the group Mixamo Rig_JRP for organization. And then I'll just hide it for now. Now, let's bring in our target character. I'll go to the content browser, navigate to the biped section, and choose this character. This character is a different size and proportion than our Mixamo character, which is good for showing how HumanIK handles retargeting. It doesn't matter that the sizes are different, you'll see. What we do now is, with this new character selected, I'll go to the HumanIK panel. In the character drop-down, I'll select None because I want to create a new character definition for this one. With the mesh selected, I'll click on the Quick Rig tool. For now, I'll use the one-click Auto Rig option. Let me know if you'd like to see a step-by-step Quick Rig tutorial next time. So, let's let Maya create this. Okay, now we have the rig on our Allen character, and if I select a controller, everything looks good. It is time to bring the Mixamo animation. In the character drop-down, I select the Mixamo rig. Let me unhide the Mixamo rig, and let me move the rig to the side so I can see better. Make sure you have the Mixamo rig in the drop-down, and set the source to None, because we don't need the rig if we want to import an animation from Mixamo. Let's import the animation, and check if it's working. But now, what I want is to apply the animation from our Mixamo rig to this Quick Rig character. To do that, in the HumanIK panel, ensure the character drop-down is set to Quick Rig character, or whatever your target character is named. Then, for the source drop-down, I will select our previously defined Mixamo rig. And just like that, our Allen character is now performing the walking animation we downloaded from Mixamo. For the moment, this animation is directly driven by the Mixamo rig. To make it independent and baked onto our Allen character's controls, we need to bake the animation. Make sure your target character, Quick Rig character, is selected in the character drawdown. Then click the Bake button. Choose Bake to Control Rig because we want to tweak the animation using these controls later. Now it's baked. You can see it's working. And if you look in the HumanIK panel, the source for Quick Rig character is now Control Rig. This means I can, for example, delete the entire Mixamo Rig_JRP from the scene. And as you can see, because the animation is baked onto the Quick Rig character's controls, if I select a controller, I can see we have keyframes in the timeline and channel box. So, what you can do now is, for example, create animation layers. Let's say you want to adjust the head movement. I can select the head controller, set some initial keyframes on a new animation layer, and then make adjustments like having him look around while walking, all non-destructively on top of the baked animation. That's it. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please hit that like button. If you have other topics you'd prefer to see covered, let me know in the comments below. Happy learning!